Hey there, my friends. Coach Corrections here. Welcome back to another video. In this video today, we're going to talk about why being for everybody. You know how they say you being for everybody, right? Why being for everybody is costing you money in your network marketing and affiliate marketing business. Okay, I'm going to go over that and I'm going to talk about 3 steps to help you close more sales in your affiliate marketing and network marketing business. Okay, so anyways, I'm Coach Corrections and I teach beginner affiliate marketers and intermediate affiliate marketers how to grow their business leveraging the power of Facebook and social media, okay, without having to do paid ads and all that and get the results they want in their business. So that's what I do. You can message me if you want to learn more about how exactly I help people do exactly that. All right, so here's the deal. You're trying to build your business on Facebook, right? You're doing all the things. You're going live, you're posting, you're even growing your friends on Facebook, right? You may be doing those things, but something isn't adding up. You're trying to figure out, you know, how do I make more sales? Why can't I make any sales to save my freaking life, right? Why? Right? So how do you do that? So the number one reason that I have found as a coach that people don't make sales in their business outside of consistency and having a daily method of operation is that they're marketing to everybody, okay? And therefore nobody is paying attention and it's costing you money. So right now in your Facebook profile, you probably have a variety, you probably have a hodgepodge of people on your Facebook profile, and they most likely don't give 2 craps about whatever it is that you're marketing or promoting. You probably got family, you got friends, you got high school friends on there, you got coworkers who you like, I don't want them to see what I do, right? You got all your coworkers on there, right? You got church folk, you got all these random hodgepodge of people on your Facebook profile. And if you're leveraging your Facebook profile for business, these hordes of people are not the people who care about what it is that you're promoting, okay? So what's the correct way, right? What's the correct way to market to your audience and to stop being for everybody, but to actually get more leads and sales in your business, right? Because that's what you want to do, leveraging Facebook. It's an amazing platform, right? So the correct way is to first start with a target audience, okay? Now, you probably heard this before, so I'm not going to bore you with that, but here's the deal. Major corporations like McDonald's, you know, you name it, Target, Walmart, they spend millions of dollars on what they call brand research, right? Researching who their people is. And then guess what they do? Put commercials in front of their people, right? That's what they do, right? That's why they're always asking for emails and things like that, because they're making sure they keep putting stuff in front of you, right? Brand research. So you as a regular person can do what is called brand research and then create your profile in a very systematic way to be able to increase the amount of leads and sales that you get in your business. Okay, so here's how you do that. First, you have to start by determining who is your target audience, right? Your family, your friends, your co-workers, your church people, you know, whoever. They're not your target audience, right? Your target audience is people who already care about whatever that thing is that you're promoting, right? So for example, you're promoting credit repair. Your person already is in credit repair. So you already know that your target audience is someone who is interested in credit repair. Now that you defined who your target audience is, step number 2 is to find out what Facebook groups they're hanging out in. Go to where they already are. That's the simplest thing you can do as a marketer, is to find out where those people are hanging out. What Facebook groups are they hanging out in? Make you a list of Facebook groups where people are already looking at credit repair. Okay. Number 3, who are they following? Who are the influencers that they're already following? Okay. So they're probably following, I don't even know, like credit repair, like gurus or whatever. Like, I forget that guy, Dave Ramsey. They're going, right? They following Dave Ramsey. Okay, so there's probably a Facebook group or a Facebook profile or a Facebook page that they're on where they're following Dave Ramsey. They're following Dave Ramsey on Instagram. There go your people, right? If you're in that niche, I'm just giving you an example, right? So Now that you know where your target audience is, so the step number 3 is to invite them into your world. So, okay, step number 1 is to figure out who your target audience is. Step number 2 is to figure out where they're hanging out, what groups they're in, and who they're following. And then step number 3 is to invite them. Actually, this is more like 4 steps, okay? Step number 3 is to invite them into your world. Okay, so you've done all that little brand research for your business, right? It only takes you like 15 minutes to do that. Just get a piece of paper and start writing it down, right? Now, you're going to invite them into your world. And here's how you do that, okay? So you can strategically add those people who are hanging out in those groups, okay? And those pages, right? You can invite them to your Facebook profile. You can send them a friend request. Invite them to into your world. Now when you do your Facebook post, now when you are doing a live talking about your opportunity and how great it is and why people should join in, when you're talking about your product and how it can help them get amazing credit and 5 easy steps and this, that, and the other, they're gonna be like, oh, they're gonna tune in. Your engagement is gonna go through the roof. They're gonna care because they already want what it is that you're offering, the solution that you're offering. Boy, when I learned this in my business, it just turned everything around for me. Like for people who don't want to convince in their business, this is a value bomb. Okay, so that's what you do. You invite them into your world. You add these people as friends onto your profile. You invite these people to your Facebook group, right? And there's tools. If you want to know more about that, if you're watching this on YouTube, beneath the video, there'll be information about that. If you're in my Facebook group, message me and I'll tell you that. If you're watching this on my profile, same thing, right? Message me, right? So there's tools to automate that process, but that's the process. Define your target audience, figure out where they're hanging out, figure out what influences they're following, invite them into your world. Okay, and now once they're in your world, you build relationships and you market to them. You're not on here for like shits and giggles and for value. You're here to make sales and to make money, right? So that said, here's how the easiest way to warm up that market as you bring them into your world. Facebook Lives. Go live, right? Tell them what it is you have to offer. Tell them why they need to stop wondering about credit repair and actually do something about credit repair, and that you the person to help them. Like be unapologetic that you the person, right? There you go, right? So now you're going to build a relationship with this. So again, lives and also inviting them into Facebook groups, right? That's how you build a relationship with them. You warm them up and you market to them. You tell them, I got the cure to your disease. Okay, here's how you get it. Okay, me. Okay, there you have it. So I hope that this was of value, but before you go, I'm going to give you something of value to actually help you in your business. Okay, so more valuable than the value bombs that I gave. But what I want to do is invite you to join me in a masterclass that's happening this Wednesday. And in this masterclass, it's going to be a free training on how to get guaranteed daily leads in your business, even if you're brand new. So if you are like, okay, maybe I'm not doing something right, maybe I'm not building my audience right, maybe I don't know what I'm doing to get engagement, I need to go back a couple steps, right? Because this shouldn't be this hard. Then I'm going to invite you to join me because I will actually be there, okay? So you are more than welcome. Seats are limited, so you need to reserve your spot. This isn't something like, oh, let me think about it. I might. No. Reserve your spot. Be on that call. Put it in your calendar and be there, okay? So I'm going to invite you to that free masterclass / training. It's going to be this Wednesday on how to get guaranteed daily leads, even if you're brand new. Wherever you're watching this, whether your YouTube or Facebook or whatever, the information will be either above or beneath the video so that you can register for that. And if you're watching this on YouTube, smash the subscribe button. Let me know below your best takeaways from this. And I can't wait to hear them. All right, I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.